Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning with GeoSnips. We are back with another video tutorial, and today our topic of discussion is conditional formatting. Whenever we are working with attribute tables, sometime what if you want to select some of the feature based on some rule? What if you want to select a field which should have a value less than 0 or which should have a value greater than 1? So all these things how you can perform in QGIS. What you have to do, you can see that we have added a polygon layer. Just right click and go to attribute table. Once you will select the attribute table, now you can see that we have these 5 fields. And now what if I want to select this DTSEN field and want to select only those values which is having a value greater than 9, because these are very less fields, so you can see it clearly. What if you have thousands of entries and you want to select some of those feature? What you can do, if you see above, there is an option as conditional formatting. Just click this, a new window will appear on your right hand side, which will ask you about the field which you want to select. We are saying it as DTSEN, and it will ask you whether you want to create a new rule or not. Just press this and it will give you a whole field where it will ask you the name. You can give any, like you are giving it as test, and in value you can put the condition. Here it is given only value. If I want only select those value where value is greater than 9, and you can select this preset whether it is a 1 2 3 or ABC, up to you. And the background color and text you can give, and it will ask you whether you want to provide a icon in front of those selections or not. It's up to you whether you want to check in or not. And then what you have to do, just press done. Once you will press done, a new rule has been selected, which is like this. Now you can see this, this and these all 4 entries are greater than 9. So like this you can create as many as rule for a layer. You can create a rule for another column, and if you really want to delete this rule, you just have to click this and there will be an option of delete. Press delete and the rule will be deleted, and further you can create a new rule. So like this you can create conditional formatting and you can create different rules for your layer. So that's how you perform this conditional formatting in QGIS. That's it for today. Thank you.